Hey everybody, welcome back to Gadget Man 69 Gadgets and Adventures. So today we're going to have another adventure. We're out at the Hunt Club and I'm just going to walk out in the woods, and I got a little gadget I'm going to show you guys today. Don't usually see too many people using it in bushcraft, but I've had the idea for a while since I used to have one and just recently picked up one again. It's a pocket chainsaw. And go figure, Simon, Bloke in the Woods, happened to post it the other day, so I figured, well, I better get out and make a video about it. He did kind of a review on some different saws, but we're going to get out in the woods. I'll show you that, and we'll set up a little day camp type thing, and I'm going to cook some lunch and make some coffee. So, beautiful day out here. It's supposed to be like 57 degrees. I hope the sound is a little better. I'm using the new GoPro 8. I'm using the media mod. Just picked that up, so hopefully the sound's a little better and you can hear me a little more clear. But let's get out in the woods and I'll see you in a little bit. This does not look very safe. Look at that. Just all split in half. Got a log across the trail. And a tree. I was leaning up on that one. That's definitely going to have to come down. Wow. Yep. We'll have to come back and cut that up. Like someone's been out here cutting some of this stuff up. Trees down everywhere out here. Beautiful day though. Great day to be out in the woods. Been procrastinating for too long getting out here. It's either been wet or snowing or too cold or something. I kicked myself in the butt today and I said I'm getting out. So well, let's find a spot and we'll get set up, make some coffee, and I got some that freeze-dried mountain meals or whatever the hell they are. Got some lasagna, so we'll try that today for lunch. See how that goes. I'll see you out there in a bit. Alright guys, well, we got a little area. I got the Solo 2-person stove, so we'll use that, get it ready. And don't laugh, I haven't used it much, so there's no soot or nothing on this thing. Well, a little bit. I used it one time on the pot. And it's got 60 ounces for the 2-person, which is plenty of water. Or something to cook in, bake in, what have you. Stove has its own separate pouch. Nice and easy to get into it, right? That's it. Very simple. Now we just got to get some tinder collected up. I've got my pouch with all my fire starting goodies. Maybe we'll do something simple. I just got some birch bark. I'll get some small twigs and we'll get it going. Folgers in your cup. Pour 3/4 of a cup, 6 ounces. Stir carefully. After 4 minutes, stir again. Simple instructions. Always follow the directions when in doubt. We'll get some water going as soon as this gets up and going. Nalgene 32 ounce. Oh man, somehow I got a little bit of mud in there, but we'll let it go. Bit of mud never hurt nobody, huh? Yeah, oh shit. We got some Starbucks. We're in luck. There's a little bit of pile of wood. Not going very good yet. So this might take a while. All right, let's do something while we're waiting here. And where is it? What I have for you today is pocket chainsaw. Chainsaw on a can. Ideal for hunters, campers, backpackers, fishermen, hikers, and survivalists. Used to have one years ago, and people used to laugh when I pulled it out, but I tell you what, it cuts wood pretty good. And it's compact. I mean, I just got it in a plastic bag. I think I'll get a pouch for it. Comes with two handles, one for either side. Inside the can, you can read the thing here. And inside the can, of course they give you instructions, but you got two clips to use for your hands on the holders. And then inside here is a pocket chainsaw. You just unroll it and hook your ends up onto it, and you can chop some wood. So we'll get to that in just a second. Got plenty of wood by me. I don't think I'm gonna have any troubles finding that. You can see my little setup. I've got the DD 3x3 tarp and camo. Got the Fall Raven Singy Steuben backpack. And so I got a nice little setup just for being out here in the day. Alright, so got one strap. I guess chainsaw goes in here somehow. There it is. There's one. Oh boy. Something's popping. Number 2. And we'll put our handles on. That's going to be the hardest part, looks like. Unless you go around it, pull it through maybe. It's the first time I've used it, so I guess it's got to be set up. Oh, that's welded. Why would that be welded? That don't make sense. I guess you just put this through here and do that. There you go. That's one way. Ingenuity. All right. So that's what it looks like all set up. You got the chainsaw, 2 handles. Let's see what she finds. Fairly dry and fairly stiff. Let's give it a shot. Wrap it around the tree. There you have it. Now how nice is that? It's a lot easier than using a saw. I do have a Silky Gone Boy. Let's see what the difference is. My damn pants ripped. Silky Gone Boy. Try pretty much the same piece of wood. Right in the middle of a bend, but oh shit. I just hit the mother load. Look at that. That's some nice fat wood there. That was a good find without me even knowing it. You can see the difference in the 2 pieces I cut. This one's all dry. This other one is just loaded with fat wood. That's nice. Now my frickin' pants ripped. Man, oh man. Back in the chainsaw, I guess. Cut something bigger, right? Wrap it around. Pretty nice. You can find these on Amazon for a little more money, but I got this on eBay for like 10 bucks. Just throw that in your backpack and you got yourself a portable chainsaw. Oh, that chunk of fat wood in there. We can smell the pine smell from it. Okay, first, oh, you know I didn't bring a spoon. So, how the hell am I gonna eat that now, huh? Alright, got that, this, pouch, throw that away. Doesn't that look yummy? About 6 ounces of water. It says, I think that's an 8-ounce cup. Oh, we'll just add about this much. Close it up. What I'll do is stir it. Stir, close zipper. After 4 minutes, stir again. So 131. Let that sit. Meanwhile, let's make us a coffee. See if I can't get dirt in that now. Tear. Pour. Collect all my garbage. Find a stick. This looks disease-free enough. Bon appetit. Where is that? Ooh, it's hot. Almost been 4 minutes. All right. Well, I ripped my pants. Figures right in the front. So, okay, where were we? My battery took a dump, and a little harder on the medium mod to take it all apart and put a battery in. So That's why there was a slight pause there. Get the fire going some more. Uh-oh, it's been past 4 minutes, so let's see what we got in here. Oh boy, it looks pasty. Smells good. I don't know what I'm going to use for a stick to eat. Let's find something. Stick. Get the bark off it. There we go. I'm back. Oh. All right. Get the bark off this thing. This ought to be fun. Well, give that a shot. That don't taste too bad. Let it sit another minute. First time eating one of those Mountain House meals so far. Tastes good. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna eat it, but not too bad. Well, 40. It's 10 minutes. It's been long enough. Let's try this nasty stuff, huh? Not too bad, I guess. Try and eat it with a stick. Wow. Not too bad, considering. Definitely a nice day out. It's supposed to be 57 degrees today. And I've been sitting in the house too long, so. Got some ideas on some videos, but I'm trying to find some places where I can get out and, you know, do an overnighter out in the woods, you know, other than coming to the hunt camp here where I can't really have an open fire or spend the night. I know we'll do some camping at some campgrounds and that, the wife and I, when she starts feeling a little better. But it's always more fun when you can get out in the woods and not have anybody around. Well, this is tough. All right, well, I'm going to eat, and I'll get back to you in just a second, guys. Well, I processed some of that fat wood that I found, and it's got a real piney smell. And I figured we'll find a dry spot here, nice and flat. And we'll check some of it out. Let's see what she does, huh? Fire steel out. Ubler bin, or how we pronounce that. Fire steel. There you go. You never know what you're gonna find. You just gotta look at it and kind of know a little bit what you're looking for. But I had no idea that was a pine because it's been down for a long time. But yeah, that stuff burns good. So that was a good find. I'll keep that, and I have some that I bought anyways, but we'll just add this to the kit. As you can see right there, those are the 4 pieces that I got, and they can be processed down a lot smaller than that. So I got some nice little sticks to make some feather sticks with and light a fire. But nice find today. Fire's going down. Still got some coffee, and I got a mess to clean up, but I'll get back to you guys in a minute. And meanwhile, I'll just let you enjoy the scenery. Hope you enjoy. Alright guys, we're all packed up. Just absolutely beautiful out here today. And obviously there's an endless supply of firewood. If I was ever able to camp out here, it'd be a nice place. I am thinking about building a shelter out here. We'll see. Maybe just some kind of lean-to or something, so I don't have to set the tarp up all the time, but be kind of nice. I've never done one, so be good practice for me. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And the wife and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.